Ford initially marketed the F-150 Lightning as an affordable electric truck. However, buyers soon faced prices far exceeding their expectations, primarily due to dealer markups. This disparity has led to considerable consumer backlash. In response to these challenges, Ford has resorted to incentivizing dealerships to accept unsold trucks. This move raises serious concerns about the company's long-term strategy and its grasp of the market dynamics. The excitement that initially surrounded the F-150 Lightning has proven misleading, as many reservations were merely refundable deposits. Such bait-and-switch tactics have severely undermined customer trust and satisfaction. Widespread customer dissatisfaction is evident, with social media inundated with complaints regarding Ford's pricing strategies and perceived dishonesty in marketing. This growing discontent threatens Ford's long-standing reputation. Ford's miscalculated positioning of the Lightning as an affordable option stands in stark contrast to Tesla's premium branding. This misalignment has led to consumer confusion, resulting in missed sales opportunities. The relationship between Ford and its dealerships has grown tense, marked by unsold inventory and exorbitant markups. This chaotic situation has negatively impacted both parties, leading to financial setbacks for Ford. The initial enthusiasm for Ford's electric truck has quickly faded, replaced by frustration over unexpected costs. Eager customers have taken to social media to express their disillusionment. Alarmingly, Ford Electric Vehicle Division projects losses up to $5.5 billion, raising significant concerns about the sustainability of these investments. Analysts warn of a potential 30% decline in overall profitability as a result. While traditional vehicles perform strongly, relying on these profits to support an underperforming EV division poses considerable risks. This strategy invites scrutiny regarding the long-term viability of Ford's electric vehicle transition. The complexities surrounding battery material sourcing, specifically lithium and cobalt, have caught Ford off guard. These supply chain issues have contributed to rising production costs. In an attempt to meet production deadlines, Ford hastily opted for cheaper battery suppliers, which has compromised quality control. Numerous reports have surfaced regarding faulty battery packs, leading to disappointing range reductions for customers. Competitors like Tesla and Rivian are capitalizing on Ford's missteps. Tesla's marketing strategy is drawing consumer attention away from the F-150 Lightning, prompting many potential buyers to consider the Cybertruck instead. Rivian's R1T has garnered praise for its exceptional performance and innovative features, setting it apart from the troubled Lightning. This positive customer feedback is aiding Rivian in cultivating a loyal consumer base. General Motors is leveraging Ford's errors to refine its own electric truck strategy. By emphasizing consistent quality and competitive pricing, GM aims to avoid the pitfalls that have troubled Ford in the market. Ford's failure to accurately assess consumer demand and its tendency to overprice their electric truck have allowed competitors like Tesla and Rivian to flourish with more enticing offerings. Rising consumer dissatisfaction is evident due to the diminished range of the Lightning and sluggish responses from Ford. This situation is eroding the brand's reputation and consumer trust. Accusations of greenwashing have surfaced, as critics argue that the environmental impacts of battery production starkly contradict Ford's marketing claims of sustainability. To secure its future, Ford must adapt its strategy, exploring avenues such as price reductions and investment in battery technology to restore consumer confidence and reclaim market share.